I am here in front of you to discuss about bacteria and its functions. So what is bacteria? So bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that lack a nucleus. They are incredibly diverse and can be found in various environments. Bacteria has 8 parts and its functions. So the first one is the nucleoid. Contains the genetic material or DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid of the bacterium. And the second one is the cytoplasm. So site of various metabolic activities and cellular processes. And the third one is capsule. So capsule provides protection against desiccation and helps bacteria attach to the surfaces. And then the fourth one is the cell wall. So the cell wall gives shape, structure, and protection to the cell. The fifth one is the cytoplasmic membrane. So it is control the movement of substances in out of the cell. The sixth one is the ribosomes. So ribosomes, it involved in protein synthesis. And the seventh one is the pili. So pili assist in attachment to surfaces and can be involved in DNA transfer. And the last but not the least, the flagella. So flagella enables movement and helps bacteria navigate towards or the away from stimuli. So that's it, ma'am.